Hi, my name is Zufa and I'm a yoga instructor, and I'm here to show you a few poses that I like to practice for myself to wake up the body, mobilize the body. So I'm going to do a cat-cow first. So, I'm going to inhale, arch my back, bring my gaze to the ceiling. And then exhale, I'm going to round my back like a cat. One more time, inhale. And exhale. And then the spine can come to neutral. I'm going to tuck my toes and maybe bring my knees 1 inch above the mat, and I inhale. And then exhale, I come to a downward facing dog. I take another breath here. I inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. And then I like to introduce small movements, like as if I'm riding a bicycle. And then bring my heels to neutral. And then I take another inhale through the nose. And exhale. I bring my gaze to my hands and I slowly walk my feet in between my hands. My knees can be slightly bent if I feel discomfort. And I let my head fall heavy. Just to lengthen the neck, lengthen the spine. And then I like to hug my elbows and then rock side to side. And then I like to release my elbows, my palms planted on the ground. Shake my head, yes. Nod my head, no. And then my head can come back to center. And then slowly I roll myself to stand 1 vertebra at a time. Head is the last thing to rise. Okay, and then I start standing with some standing postures. So I come into a mountain pose, engage my core, inhale deeply, and then exhale, extend my arms high to the sky. And then exhale, I fold forward again, hands and palms on the ground. Inhale, I bring my chin up. Exhale, I fold. Inhale again, flat back, chin up. And then exhale, I fold. And then inhale, I take my right foot to the back of the mat, my left foot to the back of the mat, and I'm in a plank. And then exhale, I'm going to push down. And then inhale, I untuck my toes, push my chest forward so I can do an upward facing dog. Chest is open, gaze to the ceiling. And then exhale, I tuck my toes, come to an upward, downward facing dog. Inhale and exhale. And then I bring my gaze to my hands. I walk my feet again in between my hands. My chin is up. I'm in a flat back. And then exhale, I fold. And then I inhale, I roll myself to stand to that initial standing pose. My arms high, palms touch. And then exhale, I bring my arms to my side. And that was a simple sun salutation.